Welcome back to the channel. Today we learn Bendix ACom PRO, the official tool for Bendix ABS and safety systems. Brakes are life safety, so this is a tool worth mastering. Connect through the truck diagnostic port, or the trailer connector for trailer ABS. ACom detects the Bendix ECU automatically and shows its exact model and configuration. The fault screen lists active and stored codes, each pointing at a specific component, like a wheel speed sensor or modulator valve. Clear descriptions mean less time guessing. Open live data and watch the wheel speed sensors. Spin each wheel and confirm the ECU sees it. Weak or noisy signals reveal damaged sensors or wrong air gaps instantly. Component tests let you cycle the modulator valves from the laptop. You hear each valve click as it fires. If a valve stays silent, you found your problem. In configuration, set the sensor and modulator count to match the vehicle, and adjust feature settings. A wrong configuration causes ghost faults, so verify this on every used ECU. Safety first. Always road test after ABS repairs and confirm the warning lamp behaves correctly. Document all brake system work, your records protect you and your customer. That is Bendix ACom PRO from connection to road test. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.